What if going to the dentist meant a safe, personalized, and caring approach? Well, we have the team right here on the Front Range that can make that happen. And we're talking about BAROTZ Dental. They'll give you peace of mind about any of your dental needs, even the most complex problems. Who should come and see you, rather?
Well, I'm going to talk straight through the camera to the people out there. And if it's been multiple years since you've been to the dentist, and when you look in the mirror, you can't believe at what your smile has turned into. Maybe your teeth are have started getting crooked, loose. Maybe your gums are bleeding. Maybe you have toothaches and you just haven't been and don't know where to go. Well, I can promise you, you're the type of person that should come and see us, because we will take amazing care of you and get you from the beginning of the process to the end of the process in record time. So pick up the phone and give us a call. We can, because we do everything in-house, we can do in a day or two what would take other offices multiple months to accomplish. So that's the type of person. If you have been putting it off too long, if you're living a life of quiet desperation, if the condition of your mouth is causing you despair, give us a call. We can move you from despair to joy, and we'll do that without embarrassing you, without judging you, and just look at our reviews online.
All right. And what makes you such a great fit for fearful or anxious patients?
Well, again, many people don't come because they're fearful and anxious, and it starts out with TLC. We'll never judge you, we'll never embarrass you, but for people with serious fear, serious phobias, we have many different ways of putting you to sleep and waking you, and and when you wake up, your dentistry is done, and you can go from a dental cripple to a beautiful smile in a matter of a day. We have all of the things that are going to put you at ease, including drugs, and they're wonderful. They're wonderful things, drugs, when you use them appropriately.
Well, what would you say to someone who has been told they should have all of their teeth extracted?
That's a simple one. Okay, if you have been told that you have to have a body part removed, like all your teeth, you should get a second opinion. On second thought, you should get a second opinion, because very often teeth that may have been thought hopeless in the past, with a new laser procedure called LANAP, could potentially be saved. LANAP is a laser procedure that goes between the teeth and the gums and removes the diseased tissue without removing the healthy tissue, and actually allows the bone that has been lost during gum disease to be regenerated. So we can actually grow the bone back in many situations, and the best part about this is it's less painful, it's less costly, and more effective than the old-fashioned conventional cut and stitch surgery. So if you've been told to get your teeth removed, if that needs to be done, we can do that, but we save so many people so many teeth, and that gives us so much joy, because everything we do is customized to the individual. We're not a one-stop shop, but not a one-size-fits-all.
And what would you say to anyone who's unhappy with their dentures, or maybe they have one or more missing teeth?
Well, this is where implants come in. If you go to an implant clinic, they're going to tell you remove all your teeth and get implants, and that's because that's what they do. But we customize every approach. So if you're missing one or more teeth, we could piece implants in between the healthy teeth. If you're unhappy with your dentures like this gentleman was, we can replace them with fixed implants. This gentleman went to 3 other dentists who could not get him implant retained teeth, and we were able to do that. So if your dentures are ugly, we can make them beautiful. If they don't fit, we can lock them in. If you want them to stay in permanently, we can do that. If you only have a few teeth that are missing, we can do that. But that's where implants really make the difference.
And what is the great offer that you have for our viewers?
Well, we are here. It's really nice if you can see with me what it is that I see. So we will do a free consultation with a free CT scan valued at $695, all at no charge. We do charge a small deposit of $195, which is refunded to you when you come in, so it is a free visit. And at that appointment, we can look together and you'll understand why I'm recommending what I'm recommending and give you a really good idea of what needs to be done, of how much it would potentially cost, and how long it will probably take.
Wonderful to talk with you. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you.
Dr. BAROTZ and his team take pride in delivering total dental solutions for their patients, and they offer free consultations with a CT scan valued at $695. Call 303-502-5523 for details, and be sure to visit denverdentist.com. BAROTZ Dental has been conveniently located in downtown Denver for over 45 years and offers free valet parking in their building. A reminder that Medicaid claims are not accepted. BAROTZ Dental sponsored this segment.